I spent last week watching YouTube Gold videos that together have over 2 million views. Same niche, same promises, and I took notes on every single one. Most of it was just filler, but there were exactly 4 tactics buried inside those videos that I'd never seen put together in one place. And when I look at the channels actually using them, they were growing so fast. So in this video, I'm breaking down everything I found, no fluff, no 30-day challenge, just the 4 things that are actually moving the needle right now. Stay till the end because number 4 is the one nobody talks about. I'm a small creator just like you. I'm currently sitting at about 1,300 subscribers. So I'm not speaking from some mega channels perspective where everything works because they already have an audience. I got tired of hearing same generic advice over and over. Post consistently, make good thumbnails, be patient. The stuff is fine, but it doesn't tell you what to do differently when you are starting from zero and every upload feels like shouting into a void. I need a system, not a motivational poster. So I reverse engineered 5 gold videos that are overperforming for their channel size. They ain't just viral because of luck. I studied Marcus Jones, vidIQ channel, Chiamaka Okoli, Geekbots AI, and Dan the Creator. I took notes on every tactics, every claim, and every result they showed. And what I found is that most small creators are ignoring 4 signals that cost almost nothing to fix. Let's start with the one you can see. Your video file name is talking to YouTube before you even write a title, and most creators never realize it. Chiamaka Okoli puts out a video that hit 128,000 views, and one of the first things she pointed out was file optimization. Most people finish editing, export from CapCut, and upload a file called something like CapCut export. YouTube reads that file metadata as an early signal before it even look at the title or description. The algorithm uses every clue it can find to figure out what your video is all about, and the file name sits near the top of that list. Here is the fix. Rename your file to your target keyword before you upload. For this video, the file read grow YouTube channel fast.mp4. Chiamaka applied this same trick to a video that ended up hitting over 350,000 views. You can do this on your phone or from your computer. On an iPhone, just rename it in your file app. On Android, save it to your Google Drive first and rename it there. It takes an extra 20 seconds and it tells YouTube exactly who should see your video before you even hit publish. If you are like me and you have been uploading generic file names, hit the like button below right now. It takes half a second and it tells the algorithm this video is providing real utility to creators. Now, there is a hidden setting inside YouTube Studio that generates views without anyone clicking on your video, and almost no small creators have turned it on. Chiamaka Okoli showed this in a video too. Go to YouTube Studio, then Customization, then the Home tab. You will see an option called Featured Video for returning subscribers. Toggle it on, select a video, and every subscriber who visits your channel homepage starts watching that video automatically. Think about that. You don't need a click. You don't need to win a thumbnail battle. You just get automatic views from people who already subscribe but maybe forgot about you. Those views add up over time and they cost you 0 extra effort once the setting is on. But here is the pro tip most people mess up. Don't pin your newest video. Pin your highest retention video. You want the video that keeps people watching longest because those minutes signals to YouTube that your channel is worth pushing harder. Subscribe if you want the keyword research video. I'm dropping that next week, and I'll show you the exact tool and numbers I use for this channel. Small channels are fighting battles they can't win because they are going after keywords that channels with 5 million subscribers already own. Look at How to grow on YouTube. The competition score is 33 at us right now, and the search volume is 424,000 per month. That fight is already over. You are not going to outrank the creators who have been building authority on that phrase for years. The solution is long tail keyword under 30 competition with 3,000 to 10,000 monthly searches. Look at grow YouTube channel in 30 days. Competition is 15.8 and it gets about 8,900 searches per month, or YouTube impression low. Competition is 34.3. Volume is about 4,700 per month. These are fights you can win. Marcus Jones and vidIQ both cover this idea, but most small creators ignore it because it feels less exciting than chasing the big phrases. The mistake is thinking you need a massive volume to win. You don't. You need intent. Someone searching YouTube impressions low knows exactly what they want, and if you give them the answer, YouTube notices that. This video itself is targeting grow YouTube channel fast, as both the file name and the keyword cluster. You don't build a skyscraper on a swamp. You build a solid ground that you can actually hold. I said at the start that number 4 is the one nobody talks about. This is it. YouTube is judging your channel right now with a hidden system that researchers and algorithm experts are calling the trust score. Geekbot AI surfaced this concept on a channel with 39,200 subscribers, and when you look at the data behind it, the mechanism is real. YouTube builds a trust profile for every channel based on 4 consistent signals. First, a consistent posting schedule, not daily, but predictable. Second, consistent keyword use across title, description, and tags. Third, consistent watch time and CTR, which means your packaging has to match your product. Fourth one is consistent topic focus. You need to stay inside a tight niche cluster so YouTube knows exactly who your videos should reach. When your 4 signals align, YouTube starts pushing your videos into the browse feed and suggested. That's where the viral views actually come from. When your signals are messy or inconsistent, YouTube doesn't know who to show your content to, so it shows it to almost no one. The practical takeaway is simple. 4 videos in 30 days, all in same keyword cluster, all optimized consistently, will build your trust score faster than random videos scattered across every topic you can think of. This is why the first 3 tactics work exponentially better when you use them together instead of treating them like separate hacks. So let's put this together. File name optimization sends the right signal before YouTube even processes your video. The featured video setting generates free views from returning subscribers. Long tail keywords put you in battles you can actually win. And the trust call ties all 3 together so YouTube starts recommending you instead of ignoring you. This ends 4 separate acts. They are one system, and when you run them together, they compound. If you need the exact keyword list I'm using on this channel, subscribe. I'm dropping that video next week, and if this helped you, hit the like button. It only takes half a second, which helps other small channels find this video. And question of the day: what is the one system you need to build this week to stop chasing viral views and start building a real channel? Let me know in the comments. Keep building, keep scaling, and I'll see you in the next strategy. Bye for now.